In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round images in Google Slides. Let's start with the basics. You're probably familiar with Google Slides, a dynamic presentation tool that allows you to create, edit, and share presentations online. But sometimes you might want to add a little flair to your slides, and rounding your images can be a fantastic way to do just that. It's a simple process, but it can hugely impact the aesthetics of your presentation. First things first, ensure you're logged into your Google account. Navigate to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com into your web browser. Here you'll enter your email and password before clicking Next to proceed. Once you're in, it's time to open up the specific Google Slides presentation you're working on. You can find your slides by browsing through your Google Drive or searching for the presentation's name in the Drive's search bar. Now, let's get down to the fun part, adding and rounding your images. Click on Insert in the top menu of your Google Slides presentation. This will open up a drop-down menu with a variety of options, but for now we're interested in the Image option. When you click on it, a new set of choices will pop up, asking where you'd like to upload your image from. Select Upload from Computer, which will prompt you to browse through your computer and pick the image you'd like to use. Take your time choosing the right picture that best fits your slide's content and aesthetic. After you've chosen your image and it appears on your slide, the next step is to transform its shape to a rounded one. To do this, look for the Image Options toolbar, which should be visible at the top of your Google Slides interface. Here you'll find the crop icon. However, instead of clicking directly on the crop icon, you'll want to click on the drop-down arrow right next to it. This action will reveal more options, including shapes. Click on Shapes, and a new selection of shape options will display. From these options, choose either the circle or another round shape that fits your vision. By selecting a circular shape, Google Slides will automatically crop your image into the shape, giving you that desired rounded effect. It's important to highlight that once your image is cropped into a circle or another rounded shape, you can still adjust its size and placement on your slide. Feel free to experiment with different sizes and positions to see what looks best on your slide. Remember, the goal is to enhance your presentation's visual appeal, so take the time to tweak and adjust as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully rounded an image in Google Slides, adding a polished and professional touch to your presentation. This simple yet effective technique can make your slides stand out and keep your audience engaged. Thank you for joining me in learning how to round images in Google Slides. Be sure to play around with other shapes and slide elements to discover more ways to enhance your presentations creatively.